everybody. Hi, beautiful, lovely, amazing people. Everybody out there in YouTube land. It is your girl, Boomey B. I am back with another video. Welcome to the Heather's channel. Before I even get into anything, please subscribe to this channel. Click that bell because apparently the algorithm is out of whack. You won't know that we've uploaded, which is why our subscriber count keeps raising and our views are not matching it, which means our videos are not coming into play how they need to be. So click that bell so you know when we post. And if you're down with the team, be down with the team. It's just as simple as that. So today I'm coming to you guys with a hack video. Kind of some really simple, easy, almost costless. Most of the stuff that you'll be seeing in this video you have in your home. They're really kind of like on the go or to go hacks. I'm not really like a product junkie or like a person who goes out and buys every single thing for a certain thing to do a thing. I kind of like to find out how can I remedy every situation with household products or things I could have readily available to me at a pharmacy or what have you. So today I compiled a couple of my favorite quick fix hacks and I put them in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. Our first quick fix, having a shiny, cakey, oily face day, just whip out a little Purell, dab it on your T-zones or any spots you get the most oily, and it should combat your shiny face for the day. Happen to have exceptionally dry skin around your nose? Do not fret. Get you some chapstick, rub it all around the sides, under and over. This will moisturize your nose and help you get an instant relief for the moment. Reapplications may be necessary. Unexpected pimple? I got you. You're gonna take you some Greek yogurt, full fat of course, dab it on all redness or any pimples you may have. You're gonna let it sit for about 20 strong minutes, then rinse off with some warm water. This will help to reduce inflammation and redness. The lactic acid quickly helps unclog your pores and break down the dead skin cells. The probiotics help balance the bacteria, while the fat helps moisturize without clogging your pores. So, you caught yourself slipping, you running your mouth, doing whatever you needed to not be doing, and you flipped up and burned yourself with your heating tools. Fret not. Skip the ice, but reach for some raw honey. A thick layer will immediately cut the sting while also providing antibacterial protection and keeping your skin hydrated. Here's an oldie but very, very goodie. You got $50 worth of grocery bags under your eyes, or they're just dark, or they're just sore, or they're swollen. Time to whip out them good old cucumber slices. You can do half moons or full ones. Whether you want full eye or under the eye is your preference. Again, decreasing that puffiness and inflammation. I also recommend tea bags, either cold or hot, depending on your skin type. Oh, you got them dry ass lips, sis. It's cool. Get you a clean toothbrush. Use this in circular motions to exfoliate your lips and get rid of some of that dead skin. If you want to kick it up a notch, I advise you to make a lip scrub. A little bit of brown sugar coarse, coconut oil, mix that up. Then you're going to apply it to your lips very generously in the exact same circular motions as was before. This will get rid of all of them cracks and creases and dry ass, dead ass skin and leave you with some baby soft, kissable, puffy lips. And here's another tale as old as time quick fix. I suggest you do this just off GP. If you haven't, you should try oil pulling with coconut oil for about a smooth 20 minutes. And I won't lie to you, it's a little bit of a challenge, but if you can, please do so. It will naturally get rid of bacteria, it whitens your teeth, and will help you get rid of some cavities. Couple quick tips: if you cannot go the full 20, take a week to work on building up in time. You will eventually get there and be good. Also, never spit oil in your drain. Always flush that down the toilet or spit it out in the garbage. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to hop on here real quick. Please pardon the reddened face. I've been rubbing it down a bunch. I wanted to give you a couple of my last quick hack tips via a conversation, mostly because I didn't have the wherewithal to film the demonstration. Another story. Get off the bed. Let's go. Down. I'm just going to read these ones out to you. So my first one is, if you are suffering from dry scalp or dandruff outbreak, my suggestion to you is to add 2 aspirin to your favorite shampoo. The salicylic acid in the aspirin aids in getting rid of dead skin, breaking down dead skin, discarding it from your head, as well as product buildup. So that's something to think about. My next quick hack is, if you have dry feet with a lot of dead skin and you want to exfoliate those bad boys, it's also pretty much making your own homemade body scrub. So you're literally going to take the same ingredients I use for the lip scrub. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and a half a cup of coconut oil. You make a body scrub out of that. You apply it in a circular motion to the bottom of your feet or to all the dead skin around your feet, wherever you have the problem. And then you wash off with a warm washcloth. Boom. Point blank, period. So, you know, don't take my word for it, but take my word for it. Those are kind of the 2 that I just wanted to tell you in a chit chat. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope these are helpful for you. I hope they give you out of some quick, tight binds if you're ever in any. And I hope they save you a lot of money. So, with that said, again, if you love this video, love it, like it. Leave a comment. Tell me some quick tip hacks you have. Give me some. Maybe I could do a part 2 with some of the ones that you guys have suggested. These are some that I know just from life and being a person who'd rather go more of a natural route or more of like DIY or something I have handy route, as opposed to buying an excess of things that I don't need for one particular problem. I like multi-purpose stuff, and I also like natural stuff, and I also like to make most of my stuff. So these hacks I've found on the internet, I've just known myself, and I would love to hear from you guys. If you have any of your own that you would love to share, leave those in the comments down below. And if we get enough, we get some great ones, I will make a part 2 and I will shout you out for holding me down. So, as is always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. And be cool the way y'all be cool always. I love you. Peace, love, hola.